Okay, so here's notes part 3. We're graphing. This is called standard form, and we break it up where we set the x stuff equal to 20 and the y stuff equal to 20. So we get the x equals 2 by dividing, and we get that y equals negative 4 by dividing. And so we graph these points. These are called intercepts, and we connect them to get our line. So this line would have a positive slope. And if we were to actually count, we could say that the slope is positive 4 over 2. For number 2, we do the same, where we say 3x equals 12, and get that the x-intercept is 4, that's over here. And we say 2y equals 12, and so the y-intercept is 6 up here. And we connect them with the line, and this line we could say it has negative slope. And if we were to actually count, we'd get rise of negative 6 and a run of 4. If you wanted to, you could simplify that to a negative 3 over 2. So 3 and 4 are different. These are in slope-intercept form. The y is all by itself. And so we know that this is the y-intercept. So that's how we got that point there. We start there. And then we use a slope of 2, which we can say is 2 over 1. And so we rise and run. So we go up 2 and right 1, and up 2 and right 1, and connect them. So I used 3 points here because it was sort of easier to fit them in. And that has a positive slope, and the slope would be 2. For number 4, we have a y-intercept of 1, and so we started here. And then I'm going a rise of negative 3, so down 3. I'll draw this. So down 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a second point. And maybe I would have space to go down 3 and then right 5, and we end up there with a third point, negative slope, negative slope. Okay. And then for 5 and 6, we just have y equals a number or x equals a number. So I go up to 4 and draw my point and know that that's going to be a flat line. And we say that this slope is 0. And then if we have x equals negative 2, draw a point, we have a vertical line. And we can say that this is no slope because it's too steep. And that's all good. So now you try. So these are very similar. Go ahead and maybe work with the person next to you and compare your answers. Thanks for listening.